Today you'll be taking your math number 4 district assessment. If you will turn it to number 1, remember you need to push pause in between each question so you can solve your problem and bubble in the correct answer, and also make sure you're showing your work. Okay, number 1. The stem and leaf plot shows the scores given to the dogs at a dog show. Possible scores were between 0.1 and 5.0. Dog show scores. Stem, leaf. Stem, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf, 8, 2, 5, 2, 4, 8, 0, 3, 3, 6, 8, 0, 5, 5. 1/5 means a score of 1.5. What is the difference between the highest score and the lowest score shown in the stem and leaf plot? A, 4.3, B, 3.7, C, 0.25, D, 0.47. Number 2, the rule plus 38 is used to show the relationship between the position of a number in a pattern and the value of that number. Which table shows this relationship? We have F, position, expression, and value. G, position, expression, and value. H, position, expression, value. And J is position, expression, and value. Number 3, the coaches at Xavier Elementary School bought cases of sports drink for a field day. They bought 76 cases of drinks. Each case contained 24 drinks. All the drinks were given out to the students. Each student received 3 sports drinks. How many students received sports drinks? A, 5,472, B, 300, C, 1,824, D, 608. Number 4, students pushed toy cars to see how far they would roll. The table shows the number of cars that rolled different distances. Toy cars, you have distance in feet and number of cars. Which dot plot represents the data in the table? So you have F with toy cars and distance in feet, H, toy cars, distance in feet, G, toy cars, distance in feet, and J, toy cars, distance in feet. Number 5, Mr. Evans will deliver a total of 168 cases of soda to 7 different grocery stores today. He will deliver the same number of cases to each store. How many cases of soda will Mr. Evans deliver to each store? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 6, Valerie had a jug that contained 1 to 8 fluid ounces of salsa to put into bowls at a restaurant. She filled each bowl with 6 fluid ounces of salsa until there was not enough salsa left in the jug to completely fill another bowl. How many fluid ounces of salsa were left in the jug? F, 22 fluid ounces, G, 21 fluid ounces, H, 122 fluid ounces, J, 2 fluid ounces. Number 7, the table shows the total number of runs different baseball teams scored in one season. Baseball runs scored, you have team and total number of runs scored. Which stem and leaf plot displays these data? Number 8. Some people borrow money to buy cars. They have to make car payments to pay back the money they borrowed. What kind of expenses are most car payments? F, variable expenses because the amount usually changes every month. G, variable expenses because the payment is not due every month. H, fixed expenses because the amount is usually the same every month. J, fixed expenses because the car is usually paid for after 1 month. Number 9, The list shows the lengths of 12 strings in inches: 26, 30, 19, 21, 24, 26, 18, 31, 27, 21, 17, 29. Which plot represents the data in the list? Number 10. The frequency table shows the favorite school lunches of some students. The table is missing the information from the number of students who chose a hamburger. Favorite school lunches, lunch choice, tally, and frequency. You have under lunch choice pizza, hamburger, chicken. The number of students who chose a hamburger is half the number of students who chose pizza. How many students chose a hamburger or chicken as their favorite school lunch? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 11. A number pattern begins with the values shown, 8, 1, 6, 2, 4, 3, 2. Which table correctly represents the relationship between the position of a number in the pattern and the value of that number? Number 12. There are 1,092 people who work in an office building. The building has 4 floors, and the same number of people work on each floor. How many people work on each floor? F273, G223, H373, J348. Number 13. George swam a total of 173 minutes during 3 days. He swam the same number of minutes each day. Which of the following is the best estimate of the number of minutes George swam each day? A 60, B 40, C 20, D 30. Number 14. Which of these services is not provided by a financial institution such as a bank or credit union? F. Informing customers of the amount of money in their accounts. G. Informing customers of how the money in their accounts must be spent. H. Providing cash when customers make withdrawals from their accounts. J. Providing loans to customers that can be paid back over time with interest. Number 15. Mr. Conrad makes chess pieces. A chess club ordered a set of chess pieces for each of its members. Each set had 32 chess pieces. There are 27 members of the chess club. Mr. Conrad put these chess pieces in 6 boxes with the same number of pieces in each box. How many chess pieces did Mr. Conrad put in each box? A 864, B 192, C 354, D 144. Number 16. The table shows a relationship between the input numbers and the output numbers generated by a number machine. Number machine, input, and then output. Which number machine shows the same relationship as the one shown in the table? You have input and then output on each of one of those answer choices. Number 17. Karnika recorded the number of minutes she practiced volleyball each week for several weeks. She used a stem and leaf plot to organize the data. Volleyball practice time, stem, and leaf. 1/4/2 means 142 minutes. Based on the data, what is the amount of time in minutes Karnika practiced volleyball? A 894 minutes, B 597 minutes, C 594 minutes, D 1,224 minutes. Number 18. Funtown Youth Sports League has a total of 175 children sign up to play either baseball or soccer during the fall season. From the children who signed up to play baseball, the league was able to form 8 teams with 11 players on each team. The rest of the children signed up for soccer. Which equation and strip diagram can be used to find S, the number of children who signed up to play soccer? Number 19. Consider the area model below. Which equation is best represented by the area model? Number 20. Zoe sold snacks at a neighborhood pool. The cost of preparing snacks was 10.29. The money she received from the sale of the snacks was 21.75. What was Zoe's profit?